we are taking the war today. We are going to take the war to them. So do not be afraid. We are capable and we have the capacity to do it. I want to thank the Emir of Borgu for agreeing with us to suspend any Salah activity in the Borgu Kingdom, not just the Emir, even across Benin, so that we commiserate and sympathize with our people who are worst hit by this menace of insecurity. In our message of hope, our people should be very assured that very soon you will go back to your homes, inshallah. We are going to rebuild your communities by the grace of God. Again, even in the middle of this insecurity, we are working with development partners like UNICEF. Insecurity is not a reason why your children will not be in school. Therefore, schools will be organized for your children to continue to school so that they can be positive tomorrow by the grace of God. So on my way from the airport, the Niger State government has a very massive land, the box they are here. We are going to use it as an IDP camp where we'll have school facilities for all displaced people in Borgu. And by the grace of God, before the rains start, I will assure you that we are going to clear the national park and make it habitable. The President has assured us we are going to set up a permanent military base, mobile police base, civil defense base, DSS training school. All security apparatuses will take over the national park. As such, do not be scared and do not be cowed. Do not be cowed by these very people who have chosen the path of violence than them. If we knew what were their requests, we would have said we should discuss and dialogue. But they have no request than to kill people. They have no needs than to displace people and steal from them. Your time is over by the grace of God.